If your team's documents live in Google Drive, you can connect that drive to Fluree AI and turn those documents into a knowledge graph automatically. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how the connection works, what we can and can't do with your files, and what happens to a document once it's ingested. Let's start with the connection itself. When I click Connect Google Drive, this pop-up comes straight from Google. I'm signing in with Google, not with us. We'll never see your password. And here's the important part of this consent screen. The permission we ask is read-only access to Drive. That means we can list your files and read their contents, and that's it. We can't edit anything, delete anything, or create anything in your Drive. And that's just not a promise. Google enforces it. Even if our code tried to change a file, Google would block it. Once you approve, Google hands our servers a secure token that lets us read your drive on your behalf. That token stays on our servers. It's never exposed in your browser. An important point here, connecting does not copy your drive. What you're seeing is your actual drive browse live. Nothing has been copied anywhere. Files are only ever read when you explicitly choose them. Here, I'm selecting this folder for ingestion, and that selection is the boundary. Anything outside, it never gets touched. When ingestion runs, we pull down those files. Google Docs and Slides come through as PDFs, Sheets come through as spreadsheets, and everything else comes through as is. Now the interesting part. What happens to each document? First, we extract the content, the text, the headings, the tables, the actual substance of the file. Then we find entities, the people, companies, products, and places your documents talk about. Each one becomes a node in the graph, and every mention links back to the exact document it came from. Then we connect them. If one document says Acme Corp and the other says Acme Corporation, we figure out that's the same company and link them. That's what makes it a graph. Suddenly, two documents that never mention each other are connected.